Alright, y'all, we've got a package from Temu here. So let's get it open. I already know what's in it, but let me do this. Alright, so what this isn't a fanny pouch. This is what they call a chest rig. And I'm hoping the straps are inside because I'm not seeing anything out here. Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, so let's eat. Sorry y'all, didn't mean to drop the phone. Alright, give me 1 second. Sorry, had to let my dog in. Alright, so let's see. Oh, there it is. So what we're looking at here, this thing is supposed to be able to hold quite a bit, and you wear it on your chest, but they didn't assemble it before sunning it. I can only guess that's probably so they could pack it down so small. So we're gonna have to figure out how all this goes, which I've seen the picture, so I don't think it'll be too awfully hard. I do hope that it fits, because I am a heavier set guy, and if it doesn't fit, it might be a problem. But yeah, I digress. We will cross that bridge when we get to it. So the hard part's going to be getting this adjusted right. Okay. Sorry guys, I don't know how much of this you can see on camera because I don't have my tripod or anything with me, but I'm just getting it rigged up real quick. Alright. So there we go. There's it all rigged up. Now let's throw it on and see what we got. So that's what we're looking at. Right there, that's the chest rig. And it's got pockets. It's got one big pocket here with a little zip up pocket there. Got another little pocket here. Got some false molly webbing right there and a little netted pocket here. So you got a little bit of storage space. And that's all this is for. This is basically lets you store stuff. Gives you, I basically say, extra pockets. But yeah, it's from Temu. It seems pretty well made. I'm probably gonna have to adjust the straps some as I mess around with it more, but yeah, all in all, looks pretty good.